Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the 7th lecture of Important Reports and Indices series. This series is very much useful for RBI, NABARD and SEBI examination. In our 7th lecture, we are discussing a Future for World's Children report. This report is very important for all the examination. Recently, the World Health Organization WHO, the UN Children's Fund UNICEF and the Lancet all together has published a Future for the World's Children report. This report is about how the future of children is going to be. This report includes the Flourishing Index and Sustainability Index for 180 countries. India has been ranked in 131st in Flourishing Index and 77th in Sustainability Index. Under Flourishing Index, it is measured the best chance of survival and well-being for the children. In Sustainability Index, it accounts per capita carbon emission and the ability of children in a nation to live healthy lives. So this report is very important for the future of children. Let us understand Flourishing Index. Basically, it is a geometric mean of surviving and thriving. Surviving and thriving both have different parameters. Under surviving, it considers maternal survival, survival in children younger than 5-year-old, suicide, access to maternal and child health services, basic hygiene, sanitation, and lack of extreme poverty. The thriving parameters are educational achievement, growth and nutrition, reproductive freedom, and protection from violence. Basically, these two ensure the overall development of child survival and their development. In Flourishing Index, Norway leads the table. It is on the top position. Second position is taken by Republic of Korea, that is South Korea, and then Netherlands. At the bottom position, Central African Republic, Chad and Somalia is there. It also mentions that the world's survival depends on children being able to flourish, but no country is doing enough to give them a sustainable future. Maybe they are surviving, but sustainability is not there. It is mentioned in this index report. Let us understand the sustainability index of this report. Sustainability index ranks countries on the basis of excess carbon emission compared with the 2030 target. It says that today's national condition for children to survive and thrive must not come at the cost of eroding future global condition for children's ability to flourish. So what we are doing today, it should not impact the children's future. If we will see the global rank, the Norway, it was rank 1 in the Flourishing Index. Here it is at 156th position. The Republic of Korea was on the 2nd position. Here it is at 166th position. Netherlands is at 160th position. These three countries emits 210% more CO2 per capita than their 2030 target. The only countries which are good in flourishing and sustainability index is Albania, Armenia, Jordan, Sri Lanka, Tunisia and Vietnam. The lowest emitters are Burundi, Chad and Somalia. US, Australia, Saudi Arabia are among the 10 worst emitters. So these countries are emitting more because of their 2030 target. The report says that harmful marketing of junk food and sugary beverages are responsible for childhood obesity. It says that global movement is needed to curtail these things, and elimination of CO2 emission is must for the future of children. New policies and investment in all sectors to work towards child health and right is needed. We have to reinvent the policies and we have to rethink the development model which will help the future growth of the children. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.